दिल्लीમાં ઉડારે ગુલાલ ગુલાબી રંગ કેસરિયા.
So dear friends, again good morning. We will solve at exercise 8.4 and question number 2, page number 193. The question is very good. Write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. In terms of sec A. Sec A, suppose I tell you sec 30 is equal to this value. Sec 30. Sec A, I tell you sec A. So you can find the sec A inverse of that, you will get cos. If you find the cos value, so sin square theta plus cos square theta, with the help of that you can find the sin. If you got sin and cos and sec 3 has done, then sin and cos, with the help of this you can find tan divided by this sin upon cos tan. If you got tan, then sin inverse cosec and tan inverse cot. So all the values you have found. Means any one ratio it is given. So it is given in the terms of sec A. In the terms of sec A. So before that, what type of formula we have read in exercise 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. Let me write again one times in the short form. Now I will erase it. You know, this is sin cosec. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, this will not be used now. What will be used? This one only, husband and wife. So will be used husband and wife relation, husband and wife. In what format? This is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. This is sin and cosec. Cos and sec. Means these all are cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. And tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. There is no need to learn all this. If you know this figure, you know, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Write in your copy 5 to 6 times it will be run, the sequence. And then 1 and 6, 2 and 4, this one. Many times I have told you. So this is the formula we will use in solving 8.4. After that, sometimes sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. 90 minus theta, it will not be used here. Very rarely it will be used, but keep it in mind. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, means this one. The another formula will be used. Husband and wife, neighboring 90 minus theta will be rarely used. This one, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem was sin and cos. So that was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And this I have told you, husband and husband. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. You know, total we have 6 relations, 3 formulas here and 3 formulas here. With the help of, and we have total 6 trigonometrical ratios, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 relations I have. If we know any one ratio, we can find all the values. Just like now I will use this formula only, and you know this is the husband and wife relation, husband, hus and wife, and this is the Pythagoras, Pytha. So only 3 and 3, 6. So how will I solve? Now this is not required in 8.4. Only theta theta or AA will be used. So it's very simple to take, you know, 6 equations and 6 variables. What is the variable? In 8.4, question number 2. You have given sec A sec A is given. So can you find with the help of sec, so cos, so the first answer is cos A is equal to what? 1 upon sec A. Means if we know the sec A, we can find the value of cos A. Okay, then come on this side, cos and sec. After that you have got cos now, so come on this side, sin square theta plus cos square theta. With the help of this you can find the value sin. Okay, the second, you find the cos square A. Second, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. You have to find sin A. So sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Just keep remember, this form will be used most of the times in 8.4 questions, and here 8.4 is going to be tough for you if you don't practice. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, or cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So later it will become again. Okay, so we have given only sec A, so we can find the cos A in this form. We can find the sin A in the terms of sec A. So this is the cos A. So write in the terms of sec A. So 1 minus cos A means 1 upon sec A, and square means 1 upon sec square A, this one. Then solve somewhat, sec square A minus 1. Okay, so sin square is equal to this. So it will be sec square A minus 1 or whole divided by sec square A. This is sin square A. So sin A is equal to under root of this whole. So now let me erase. So sin A is equal to under root of sec square A minus 1 whole divided by sec A. This is your second answer, sin A. If you have got sin A and cos A, sin A and cos, you have another formula tan A. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. So the third one, tan A, through tan A is again two formulas you have. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. With the help of this you can find. So you have got sin A and you have got cos A, you can find. Otherwise we have another formula, what? 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So very easily we can find. So tan A is equal to sec square A minus 1, this, and whole under root. So this is, with the help of this you can find this, the same result will be, and this I have taken this formula. So the third has done. Fourth part is very easy. If you have got 1, 2, 3 cos and sin and tan, so everything are reverse. So tan, cot, so just write inverse of that. Cot A means 1 upon tan A, means 1 upon under root of sec square A minus 1. This is cot A. And 5 number, cosec, cos A k 1 upon sin A, and you have got the value of sin A. This is sin A. So just inverse is sec A whole divided by sec square A minus 1. This way. So all 5 you have got in the terms of sec A, sec A. This is the first, cos A is equal to this, sec A. If you note the value of only sec A, you will place the value sec A, you will get the sin A. For the tan A, sec A, you will get the tan. Means cot A in the terms of sec A, So this is the magic of trigonometry. Question number 2. And I hope you have enjoyed. So keep watching.